Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video we are going to talk about another built-in function known as zip. Okay, the zip function iterates through multiple iterables and then aggregates them. So now let's get started. So first of all, what I will do is I will give here I then equals in the brackets I will give is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, and then right, okay, j equals to, and in the brackets I will give 5 comma 6 comma 2 comma 1, and now I will give here is for a and then a comma b in zip brackets and I comma j. Where is this? I comma j is there. Print a comma b. Print a comma b. So now let's run this program. As you can see here, it's showing 1 5 2 6 and 3 2 and 4 1. So we can also give multiple elements. Okay, so now for that what I will do is I will go here and I forget, so now I don't know this. We'll clear up this one, delete this one. So I have to give one more thing, that is k equals brackets and then I will give is a and beside that b c and then last thing, that is d. So now I will give is for a comma b in zip, and here I will give is I comma j. Print a comma b, and now let's run this program. Okay, it's showing 1 5 2 6 3 2 4 1, right? So now we can also give multiple elements. So for that what I will do is I will give here a b is there, beside that I will add one more thing, that is known as c, and zip is there, and j k a comma b comma, sorry, okay, that's all. So now let's run it again and see how it's showing. Okay, it's printing the same 1 2 2 6 3 2 4 1. Okay, so now what I will do is, what if we give for abc, then I will make this line comment here also same, and now and I will give is print zip, and here I will give is I comma j comma k. So now let's run it again. So I will give here is it's a, okay, so now it's a zip object and it can be iterated over. So for that what I will do is I will give here at the bottom, I will clear up this one, print zip is there, and for x in zip and the brackets I will give is I comma j comma k, semicolon, and print x. So now let's run it again. X is not defined. Why? For, okay, we have given here x, should give it right. As you can see here, it's a tables of values or the values. So now I will do one more thing, that is, for that I need to give one more thing. So now I will give here print zip is there, okay, print ab is there, I want to remove this one, and besides zip I want to add one more thing, that is list and here bracket, here and here bracket. So now let's run it again. Okay, so now it's showing in the type of in the list format kind of list. So now let's convert it into a dictionary. So for converting into a dictionary, I will give here is dict and run again. So now value line number 8. I give there or I will remove this and again. So now it's showing in the dictionary format. So now we can combine zip to a list comparison. So for doing that, I will come here, and now what I will do is I will give in place of I will square brackets, then I will give is print and a comma b comma c, a comma b comma c for a comma b comma c in zip, and in brackets I will keep is I comma j d comma k. So now let's run it again. Okay, it's working. It's showing 15A, 16B. In the starting, what I have done is I have written such a code that it was showing 15, 26, 32 and 41. Okay, and now it's showing A, B, C, D. Okay, so now it's working, right? So now I want to tell you one more thing, that is if you are using this commonly and then you are going back to for loop and then you are comparing both of these, then what will happen is I will show you that. I want to show that. Okay, I will clear this one. So now here is the one, and here I will make it comment end, and here I will print in the brackets I will give is I comma j, and beside that I will give is for I comma j in zip, with brackets I will give is I comma j print x, right here like this. So now run it again. X is not defined. Why I have given x? First of all, for I comma j, then I okay, it's working, right? So now it's working, right? But what if we give is like I will give print A is here and B is here for A, B in the brackets here I will give is A. Okay, what is the let's run this program. Show me some problem. A is not defined. Okay. Oh, it's showing us some error. Name error. A is not defined. Okay. So for that, what I will do is I will do one more thing. That is, I will beside here. I will go here and comment it, and here I will give is for A comma B, and in zip I comma j print A comma B, right? So now print A, run it again. I'm going to run it again. Okay, it's working. it's showing one more thing extra, that is 152632 and 41. At the end it's showing 4 and some space, nothing is there, right? So now for that, what I will do is I will do one more thing, that is print in the I, and here J, I, here is J. So now print, or I in J is there or what? I, here J, I will give here is I. So now let's run this program. Okay, now it's showing the same, right? So guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.